Hi, here is the Canon Autoboy 3, the overall conditions. Okay. First of all, let us to open here for the battery compartment. You need a small screw driver to open it. Yeah. So just twist like this. Okay. Like that by pulling it up. Beware because the screw can like lost easily from my customer feedback lah. Yeah. So if it's lost, then it's very hard for you to like lock it or something. Okay, like that. Then it using 2CR5 battery. Then we just put it inside like this. Okay. After that we can screw it back lah, but it's for demo, so I won't screw it first. Okay. Next thing, by pulling here to open the back cover, inside will be like this. Then here is the film. About the film, we need to put in this compartment. Then like that. Then the film tip, pull until here, like that. Then make sure that your film is flat like this and close it. And it will auto load. Okay. When here show figure 1, which means that now we can start shooting. Here is the on button. Click, it will on it. If lock, then it's pull, yeah, like that. Then here's the shutter button. Here's viewfinder. Inside the viewfinder, you will follow at the center point there, got a dot. So you just use that dot to aim whatever you want to focus. Actually, it's a bracket or square. Then you just half press it. Okay, yeah, you see. Inside, the light is light up and it doesn't blink, which means that it's okay to shoot. Yep. Okay, yeah, you see. Now it's blinking, which means that it can't focus. Green light it stands for focus, the red light stands for flash. So maybe we adjust a bit. Okay, yeah, like that means that it's okay. And when it doesn't have the red light, which means that it won't trigger the flash. Okay, then here's the timer. Same, aim, and you click the timer and it will start counting. It took around 10 seconds like that. Okay, it's almost there. And the bottom part of here we have this thing lah. Actually this one is for the stand lah. You can twist it like this and you put it, so the angle will be up a bit lah. It's for like the timer lah. Then you can click it and you just stand it there. Okay. And but if you don't want, you can twist it back like that. Then it will be flat lah. So the angle might not that nice. Yeah. So the overall is like this, and the back here will show how many shots you have took. If you didn't use it, you just close it. Then yeah, here we also close. And when it should finish, it will auto rewind. So no worry in using, and hope you enjoy it.